Hello and welcome back to another video. Today's episode is called I Accept All Trades. So yeah, this is what I have on trade. Right here. I know it's bad stuff, but might as well. I should put on my windmill. Okay. I'm gonna turn into my Arctic wolf. Who's gonna be my friend? Okay. I know it will say that scamming, so I have to I accept all trades. Random. Okay, so yeah. I accept all trades. I accept all trades. I accept all trades. This might take a while. Better put that on trade too. And that. And that. And where's that? No. Oh. Gee. And that. I accept all trades. 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 Oh, okay. Actually, I was looking for. I accept. Okay, maybe a better place. Oops. All trades. I accept all trades. I think there's too much people around me and people can't see my user. I accept all trades. I accept all trades. Very bad trade, guys. Trade me as well. I say yes. I want that. Wow. Trade me, I will. I say yes. What else you have? What else you have? I'll trade you this. Police officer. Wow. Time to put those on trade. Oh, this is too funny. A unicorn horn. Might just keep that on for the whole episode. I accept all trades only for today. Give me unwanted items. Manual gem rocks. Jammer. Why did you just say animal jam rocks? Do you want to trade? 9-4. I accept all trades, guys. So yeah. Well, not always. Only just for today. Accept all trades. I accept all trades. I accept. I guess I have to, guys. Lol. I accept all trades. I accept all trades. Okay, I'm just gonna say trade me. Trade me. It's getting really boring. Trade me. I'm guessing you're Jammer, yeah. Dude, I want that. Oh, okay, guys. Boom. Silly item. I really want to know what that is. A nature archway. Tonight's gonna be. Da 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 da. And do it, don't do it, da do it, da. And move it, and move it, and move it. Can't trade right now. So yeah, guys, this is it. Sorry. I just wanted to make it a short episode. Well, maybe not. I might just continue, actually. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue. For at least 4 more minutes. I'm gonna record. I'm recording. I'm recording. Should I help you around AJ Jammer? And move it. I move it and move it. Oh, I'm recording. Give me unwanted items. Sure. Okay, maybe I want to. I'm gonna be nice for once. I'm gonna give you my back glasses. A silly item. I want to know what a silly item is. Very bad. I want to know what that silly item is. Probably like a claw. I really want to know actually what the silly item is. So yeah, guys. I really want a claw game. If you guys really, I'll trade you this and this and this. Rare eyeball hat, spike collar, and a New Year's party hat. I'll trade you that. Plus my rare scary bat wings, and I'll send you my rare scary halo. And this rare pumpkin head. If you only trade me that. Oh, here's a funny trade. Trade the yellow party hat for a yellow party hat. Oh, I didn't get a party hat. Oh, that's so funny. Nerd glasses. Because of nerd glasses, I thought I was going to be a nerd because I had nerd glasses and I was wearing them, so I thought I was a nerd. And move it. I'm moving. I got 19 diamonds. So let's go check out the diamond shop. Wow, only me and Miss Cleverpaw. Guys, we got 1 more minute left until I gotta end this episode. Well, I don't have to, but yeah, kind of do. Oh, new cheetah. I got the pet hummingbird, the pet hummingbird, the pet cheetah, the pet tiger, the pet owl, And I wish I had a pet fox. Looks like he has wings and a tail. Short tail. Okay, guys, that's it for this episode today. I'm gonna end it with please subscribe and make sure you click the like button. Yeah. So please subscribe and click the like button. wolfdog12345 is out.